If you want to keep all your games in one place, today I'm going to show you exactly how to add non-Steam games to Steam in just a few easy steps. This is super useful if you launch games from different platforms, want to keep your library organized, or simply want to use Steam's overlay, controller support, and library features with games that didn't come from the Steam store. And if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Steam desktop app on your PC. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Steam, not just the website, because this feature is built into the app itself. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner and click Games. This menu contains several options related to your library and game management. From there, click Add a non-Steam game to My Library. When you do that, a new window will pop up showing you a list of programs and apps currently installed on your computer. Steam will scan your system and try to detect games or applications that can be added automatically. Now, go through the list and tick the checkbox beside the game or app you want to add. If you see the game you're looking for, that's the easiest option. Just select it, and Steam will be ready to add it to your library. But if your game is not listed, don't worry, because there's another way. Click Browse. This lets you manually locate the game yourself. After clicking Browse, find the game's .exe file on your PC. This is the executable file that launches the game, so it's the one Steam needs in order to create the shortcut. If you're not sure where it is, check the folder where the game was installed. Common places might include program files, a game launcher folder, or a folder inside your Steam or custom game directories. Once you find the .exe file, select it and click Open. That will bring it into the Steam ad window. At this point, double check that the correct program is selected. If everything looks right, click Add Selected Programs. Steam will now add the non-Steam game to your library. After a moment, you'll see it appear in your Steam library just like any other game. From there, you can launch it from Steam, organize it into categories, and even use Steam features like controller configuration or overlay support, depending on the game. And that's it. You've successfully added a non-Steam game to Steam. It's a really simple process once you know where to click, and it can make your gaming setup a lot more convenient. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.